when you're out here in Jefferson State and you're trying to catch something to eat, it's like, what am I gonna have today? People don't like bugs, man. But I'll tell you what does like bugs. I'm gonna tell you here in a minute. You stay close to the bugs and you'll stay close to some good supper. This is something that you boys in Texas might be familiar with too. Let's see if we can get us see if we can find something to eat up here on the driveway. Another thing you do is follow the hippies because they leave a trail of trash. And watch this. You guys see that? See that shit? Those motherfucking turkeys aren't decoys. And they're like lesser prairie chickens. You can get right up on them, snatch them. What's going on here, boys? Can I see some ID? Can I see some ID, boys? Oh, what's up? You don't want to hang out? You guys don't want to hang out for dinner? Gobble, gobble, motherfuckers. Oh, what we got here? Hey, boys. You get lost? You better find your family before you get snatched up. Now that's funny.